Hand washing is not only gentle on the material, but also effective at removing dirt and odors without the wear and tear that washing machines can cause. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, fill your basin with lukewarm water and add a small amount of mild detergent. Make sure it's well mixed. Now, gently place your cat cave into the water. You'll want to let it soak for about 10-15 minutes to loosen any dirt. After soaking, use a soft brush or just use your hands to lightly scrub any stained areas. Be gentle. The goal is to clean without damaging the felt. Once you've scrubbed the cave, rinse it thoroughly with clean water to remove all soap residues. It's crucial to rinse well to prevent any irritation to your cat's skin from leftover detergent. After rinsing, gently squeeze out the excess water. Avoid wringing it out, as that can misshape the felt. Now, reshape the cave and let it air dry in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. And there you have it, a clean, fresh cat cave ready for your cat to enjoy again. Regular cleaning not only helps eliminate odors, but also extends the life of the cat cave, making it a comfy retreat for your pet for years to come. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more pet care tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or share your own tips for pet care. See you next time.